going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I created this all black cut crease glitter eye look for the fall, honey, giving you this green. Let me know if you like this wig. Do you like this wig? If you do, boo, let me know. Okay. But if you want to see how I created this eye look, make sure you guys keep on watching. All right, my boo, so we're gonna jump right into it. Number one, this is actually my second video. I had did the whole entire look and everything, y'all, and did not have my microphone on. Like, starting off with eyes, okay? But we're gonna run through this eye, and I think I'm gonna be able to do this eye a little bit faster because I did it already, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be starting off with eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. pomade. I got that down. So now we're going to be jumping into concealing these eyebrows, and I'm going to be jumping into the Plouise once I find it. And this is in the Rumor 6 base. Please excuse my voice if it sounds like a little raspy. Come on, rude. Because, honey, I've been up all night. I went to bed like around 3 o'clock this morning because I was still working after I did my makeup. And then I had to get up early and like do this video. So I'm like, trying to get up and trying to wake up, you know? So we gonna hope that this look come out right because I'm still asleep a little bit, just a little bit. So now we're going to jump into concealing these eyes. And concealing these eyes, I'm going to be jumping into the Plouise base. And this is in the Rumor 5. I'm going to just lay this on my eye just like this. Now, I will say that I really did like the way the eye look came out. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys this look. Like I definitely said, you know what? I'm not gonna let the enemy stop me. Oh, you turned my mic off. Thank you very much. Still gonna do this look. Say no. Okay, so let me zoom you in just a little bit so you can really get into this look. We're going to be jumping into this Norvina palette, this one right here, and we're just going to be jumping into that black, and we're going to be taking a regular little flat brush, jumping into that black. Yes, my brushes is dirty. I just did this look. Come on. You know, people still be wanting to have stuff to say. And we're going to tap this right in our crease, and yes, we're being daring. We're going in with the black, and we're just going to tap it right there, keeping it real close, and we're just bringing it into our crease. You're gonna look like you got a black eye for a minute, but you're gonna be all right, because a lot of people are scared of black. I ain't scared of it. I ain't scared of you, bro. I look crazy. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into this ColourPop palette, and it is the Smoke Show. I really like this palette, and we're going to be touching into this gray called Salted. Now, mind you, from me doing this look, it's like glitter all over my brushes. And just want you to blend out those edges really good. Touching it, but barely touching it, you know? But keep touching into that gray, because that gray is going to blend that black. Even though the goal is to have an all black eye, I can't blend black into black. So of course, I'm going to have a lighter shade. So gray is the best shade to use. When I first did this look, I was so freaking scared to do it because of this black, but I'm telling y'all, it ended up looking really good. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to cut the crease. So we're going to be using some micellar water. All right, as you can see, that crease is cut. So now we're going to be jumping into the Blank Canvas by Mama Mitchell and Plouise and cutting this crease real good.
never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say.
Now I'm gonna take just a little small brush and just blend them edges out really, really good. I'm going to be taking Smoking out of this palette, and I'm just going to lay this all over my lid. So for glitter, I'm going to be taking this NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to be putting that over my lid. But let me show you guys this glitter. Can you see it? Can you see how chunky it is? Like, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's real chunky, so. I really enjoy doing this eye too. I think I like doing creative things. Like, I think I like cut creases and stuff. I love the natural look, but I think the cut creases and glitter and all this stuff right here, I really love. It's like much more fun. What I'm gonna do real quick, I'm going to just jump into my under eye just to show you guys like how I did my under eye too. So for starters, I'm going to just take, I already wiped this off, but I'm gonna take this black liner that I just put right there, and I'm going to lay that. So I'm going to be taking that Plouise, and I'm gonna just take a little bit and just lay this right under my eye just like that, because I kind of want my under eye concealed because I have like dark circles. And then what I like to do is just drag it up, and I'm gonna just take some of that black out of that Smoke Show palette, just like that. Right now, since we have that down, we're going to real quick jump into Inner Corner, and we're going to just be jumping into the Gold Luxe highlighter out of the Stacey Marie palette really quick. Now I'm going to put some mascara under these eyes, coat it up, you know. Coat these top lashes up too. Prep for lashes and put my lashes on real quick for y'all. Alright guys, so now since I have this eye down, I'm going to jump this eye on really quick, and then we're going to jump right into face, okay? Okay, so we're going to be running into face really quick. We're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder moisturizing cream. This has been my fave. This has been something that I've been using. We're going to get it good and we're going to get it right, okay? Next, I'm going to jump real quick into this primer. First of all, I just want to say, like, I'm so hyped. Like, I was able to achieve this look. Like, y'all gonna see glitter all over my face. So I'm going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color Deep Spice. And just tap that. I like to like just tap it. I always try to make sure I get my nose. But yes, I'm really loving these eyes. Like, don't be coming at my brushes, y'all. I just did this look, okay? Don't be like, oh, her brushes is dirty. No, my brushes is not dirty. But yes, I love the way this look came out. Like, it just looks so pretty. Like, all right, now since we have that down, we're about to be jumping into my favorite part, and that is concealer. And for concealer, I'm going to be jumping into my regular. I've been jumping into the Flawless Concealer by e.l.f. This has been like my fave, and I like the Flawless one. You know, 16-Hour Cameo is still my boo, but this Flawless one has really been doing a good thing, okay? All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in the color 350. My boos that's already been watching me already know this is like my best little combo that I have been doing. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? I'm gonna let that sit down just a little bit, and I'm going to jump into contour. I'm gonna just let that dry down a little bit. And for contour, I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty Cream Contour in the color Chocolate. Taking this E15 brush and just sculpting my face really quick. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just blend this in. I have stuff to do, so I'm gonna be beat all day long. I have some errands to run and things like that, cause today is Saturday, baby. We gonna beat that things. Let me blend this contour out. And just blending that contour too. You know, just do the whole face. So we're going to be jumping into the matte setting powder, and this is in the color dark. I mean, this is in the color tan, not dark deep, but I do have dark deep too, but this is in the color tan, okay? And this is the matte one, and we just gonna be lightly tapping that over, you know. All right, so now since I have that down, I can go into setting this contour, because that is something that I'm gonna definitely have to do. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be jumping right here into this elf right here, setting that contour just like that. So you guys already know what I've been using for highlight, and I'm going to keep using for highlight. So we're going to be jumping into Over It by Stacey Marie. I really love this highlight. It's so good. Ooh, baby. So we're going to be jumping into the Morphe lip pencil brush, and this is in the color Trendsetter. Next, we're going to be jumping into this Morphe lip, and this is in the color Boo. Maybe my eyes is doing too much, so we ain't going to do too much, you know? I'm just saying. And then for the gloss, we're going to go into Chill. We're going to be jumping into the Morphe setting spray, spraying in his face. So this is the final look. I'm really feeling this look. I done put on this wig for y'all, got real cute, you know. So I know. But if you really like this look, and if you really love the way this look turned out, make sure you do not forget to leave me a comment down below, and also smash that like button. Also, my boo, since you made it this far to the video, you might as well subscribe, and you might as well hit that notification bell button too, because I need you to be notified for my next video, period. Okay, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Keep God first. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.